In today's video, I want to explain what Midjourney is, how it works, and how you can access it. So first of all, Midjourney is an AI which allows you to create artwork from text. So it's a text to art bot. Now, the way that it works is it's a Discord bot or a Discord server, depending if you're paid or not. And inside that, you can create images based on just words. So, for example, if you typed imagine snail with a hat, it's going to generate me an image of a snail with a hat, wouldn't you know? Now, this can be slow or fast depending on tons of different factors, but it shouldn't take more than like a couple minutes. And you can see it's starting to make this already. Now, while it does this, I'm going to teach you how to get it. So you need to have a Discord account, and you can get a Discord account from Discord. Easy. Now, to get Midjourney, you need to go onto the website, midjourney.com, and scroll down and go to join the beta. Now, if I click join the beta, it's going to open up an invite link and invite me to their server. So, as you can see on Discord, it's opened me up in their server and I've joined it. Now, you can go to one of these newbie rooms here, and these basically mean you can generate images in here. You can generate images for free. So you can use the exact prompts I just taught you. And also on my channel, I have other videos about how to use the prompts. But on here, you're only going to be limited to 40 images per month, and you're also going to have some other limitations like the speed they get done. So if you want to subscribe, it's $10 a month and you get your own private server. There's a ton of other features for it. So I'm going to go back onto the Discord bot here, and here you can see it has created me this snail with a hat. You can see that I didn't give it much to work with, and it's done okay on some of them, and it's done bad on others of them. If I'd given it more words and more things to work with, it would give me a better example. Now, there's a few options I can do from here. If I like any of these, then I can just straight up upscale them. And I press upscale, I press U and then the number, and I'll upscale it. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. So say I'd like number 2, I can do U2 and I'll upscale it. Now, if I want to create variations of one of the images, I can go to V. So that's variation 1, variation 2, variation 3, variation 4. So if I want to make variations of 2, I'd click V2. And lastly, what I can do is I can do this, and it's going to regenerate all of the images. Now, this is a brief overview on what it is, how it works. There's a few other commands you can do. You can do /describe. And what it's going to do, you can add an image into here, and it's going to tell you what the image is, and it's going to create a prompt for you so that you can create images like that inside of Midjourney. Now, another one you can do is /blend. When you press enter on this, it's going to give you 2 image upload boxes, and from here you can upload 2 images and blend them together into one image. I have an example up here somewhere. Here we go. This here is a blended image. I blended this and one of these, I believe, and it created me that. And you can see over here I've just generated a happy man with a hat, and it's pretty good. Now lastly, if you want to upgrade your account, what you can do is you can type /subscribe, and it's going to give you a link to upgrading your account. I'd say it's pretty worth it if you want to use this for business, because you need to have a paid account to use your things commercially, and also it gives you a lot more things, like you can generate loads more images and stuff like that. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and comment down below that it worked. Thank you for watching.